it comes to satin finish paint protection, not every shop is created equal. At Wet Paint Detailing, we specialize in precision installs of XPEL Stealth PPF, the ultimate satin finish armor designed to shield your vehicle from rock chips, scratches, and the harshest elements without altering its factory look. Flawless protection, seamless finish, zero gloss. Whether it's preserving your OEM matte paint or toning down a factory gloss, our expert installations maintain the factory satin sheen of your vehicle. Every curve, edge, and surface is treated with meticulous care. Protect your investment with precision craftsmanship, because true luxury should be both seen and protected.